Alright everyone, welcome to day 1. This should be the screen that you look at when you log into Georgia View. And then what you'll notice is where you need to go first is always over here on the right. We are in Module 1, which means June 11th through June 15th. If you click there, I have released day 1 because it's Monday. On the 12th, you'll see day 2. On the 13th, you'll see day 3, etc. When you click into your day, the checklist, once again, has everything that you need to complete day 1. So follow this thing, check all the dots, and you will be fine. You won't miss anything. Let's go back and look at day 1. This is an expanded view, so I find it easier to look at from the course home content section. So here we are in day 1. You have found this video because you've clicked on day 1, and what I'm going to do is post one of these every single Monday of the module to get us up to speed on what's going to happen in the class that week. So this week, this is our course schedule that you can download from the orientation module. It has everything that the checklists have on them, but you can see it all at once. You've completed the introduction, you've taken your syllabus quiz, and now we're on to Module 1. Today, you're going to set some financial goals, set some goals, and look at your financial health in what's called a personal balance sheet. That'll be the workshop you'll be completing in the lectures. I have to warn you, today's videos are a little bit long. The lectures aren't always going to be that long. They just happen to be on this first day. So hang in there. Tuesday, we're going to look at income and expense sheet and budgeting. These two things together help us say, all right, where's our money going? And if I don't like where it's going, how do I set a budget to fix those things? So we'll look at those two on Tuesday. One of the big points of confusion for undergrads when they start receiving their paycheck is, why am I losing so much money to taxes? What's going on there? And so what we'll do in Chapter 3 is we will use your income, your projected income, and look at what your tax bill should be and some of the determinants there. And then finally, Thursday is sort of a tool building day. We're going to learn some time value of money techniques. That's in Chapter 2.6. And we'll learn about our very first savings vessels in Section 4.5 and just general issues about savings in 4.1. So once you get through all those 4 things, Friday all you have to do is study and take our quest. It will be available at 8 a.m. on Friday, and you can start it up until 8 p.m. After 8 p.m., you cannot take the quest anymore. That's your week. In 4-letter, I have now updated the first week of assignments. So when you come in here, here's how to read it. On the 11th, you'll read Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, Sections 2.1 and 2.2, and you'll complete the lectures and the workshop. On the 12th, you have Chapter 2, the rest of it to read, and you have Chapter 2 homework. So you would have seen that in your checklist, and you also will see that here, that you have Chapter 2 homework due. What's weird is that it's listed as due on Friday. That's because, if you recall, I give you until Friday to complete all your homeworks. I highly recommend you complete it on the day it's assigned. So Chapter 2 homework due on the 12th, Chapter 3 homework, due on the 13th, and then this Chapter 2, Chapter 4 blended homework due on the 14th. Don't get behind, and you won't have to worry about doing any homework on the 15th. You can just take your quest. All right, that's it.